Check out this 2004 Mercedes-Benz CL Class Coupe. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include auto-dimming driver's side mirror, halogen front fog lamps, red rear fog lamp, dual xenon front reading lamps, in-trans lamps, universal integrated garage door opener, programmable night security illumination, rear bucket seats, driver and front passenger seat back pockets, and front RH footwell parcel net. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.